Let's go, come on. You saying, bro? Let's go, bro. What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video of Hoodstick. Really appreciate everyone that's watching the video. Today we're going to be racing a Mitsubishi Colt running 215 brake horsepower, weighs 90 kg, and it's been killing so many other cars like GTC Skylines, Hyundai i30Ns. But today we've got the Audi S3, so we're going to be taking that against the Colt, and we're going to see which car is faster. So we're not going to waste any time. We're going to head up to the strip and we're going to do some versus pulls, so stay tuned on this one. It's an interesting one to watch. Yes, man, you're right, you're good.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Oh, man.
Yo, you got S3 as well, lad.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Full tank. Just on the third beep? Okay. Yes! Let's go! I don't know if he won or if he let off.
Whoa, this is fast! The third gear of that Colt is crazy!
But that was pretty neck and neck.
Whoa.
He's reversing at like 30 miles an hour.
Look at that! Wow! Oh yeah, that is fast.
Definitely hit about 30 miles an hour there. He's gonna be proud. Not too bad, not too bad.
Your third gear is next level.
You did well though.
Huh?
You did well.
Yeah, first second, but you carried on.
I've got to be careful. My third gear, if I shift too fast, it crunches.
Yeah.
So I've got to be
Is
careful.
that why you keep it going?
Yeah, but yeah, man, it was a good race. It was pretty neck and neck for a long time.
I know, yeah. I know. First second, neck and neck. Third one, I'm shifting and you're carrying on.
Do you want to swap? Swap seats and I do one race.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lads, I'm in the Colt, yeah? I'm gonna see for myself if this car really is the real deal. What the heck? Whoa! Yikes! What the hell? Oh my god! Adam, man, what the hell have you done to this car, bro? Oh my god, this car is next level. Oh, Adam, your car is fast. Hey. Oh, this is fast.
I'm not used to it. I've got the launch completely wrong.
This is fast, man. This doesn't need a launch. It goes in turbo like this.
Yeah, there's not much lag at all.
I'm shocked, man. I'm shocked, man. I love this car already, bro. For the win, man. This 215 brake horsepower Colt just literally gapped an S3 8P. bro, loving this car, man. This car is mad. I think we need to do a full video on this. Drop a comment down below if you want to see a full video about this. Mad. It feels like an Evo. Huh? Got ourselves a crazy Porsche right now. Taken. Don't know why that's doing here. Nice i30N this is. Bad boy. Meets looking madness. It's becoming a drift area. We came for one car and this is it. Wow. It's got a roll cage in there. I've had one of these when I was young. My first ever JDM car I ever bought when I was 18 years old. I'm not sure if it's an S13 or a 180SX. S13 comes with the C818 engine 1.8. But the 180SX is the SR20. I think that's Skyline brakes, that is. Yep, Skyline brakes. Stealth, that is. An EG Civic. Nice, I bet that's got something in the engine. Either a B18 or a K20. Nice paintwork. That's Kanjo for life, that is. Definitely a sleeper, this is. Subaru Impreza, wow. I think it's a STI, yeah, it's a STI, Subaru Impreza. Love the neons, beautiful. It's modified as well. If I ever get the chance, I'd get my hands on one of these. My favourite Subaru Imprezas. What are you doing right now?
Just getting it all prepped for paint. It's all going pearl white, like chasing pearl white.
Oh, you're painting that pearl white?
Yeah, the whole car's getting painted pearl white. So
I don't know if you ever watch a channel called Night Ride.
yeah.
That when I see you, I see that.
Yeah,
man.
they do inspire me, to be fair, man.
No, but that's exactly what they're doing, man.
I couldn't get to go and see them in Ireland. Like,
Yeah. At the Rose Festival.
I even refuse to watch their videos until they're back.
Yeah, same.
We're just painting all around here so that when it does go pearl white,
Yeah.
when you open the boot and everything, it's still white. And the
Wow.
whole lot's going white underneath, so you wouldn't even be able to tell it was blue before.
Nice,
Hey, get the dog in it.
it's nice, man. Sick, man. I'm after seating it. Wow. Beautiful. That's a nice handbrake, that is. I don't think I get my finger in that. That's the S15 now. Huh? Sit down.
Can if you want. Just be careful the ECUs and you
Oh, gee. God, stop on. That was
I can't help myself.
That was mad.